Hi there, I'm Alyssa, and if you're watching this video, you've probably forgotten your password and you're wondering how you can get it back. No problem, follow me. Head over to Timetable. Scroll down and select My Account. As you see here, it says Need New Password under the Sign In button. Enter your email address of which your account was created under and submit. Now, go check your email. I'm going to look on my phone. There it is, Align Movement login information. From there, it's going to provide you with the link so that you can create your new password. Now, just a hint, there were some rules when you originally created your password. It needed to be 8 to 15 characters long. It needed to have one number and one letter. So maybe that could help refresh your memory. And I hope to see you soon in class. Bye.